Here's how to apply our lifted lashes for monolids. I'm using the light lifted, which is one of our best-selling styles. The thing that makes our lifted lashes different from other lashes is the lash band. It's slightly thicker, which acts as a sort of firm foundation that then holds up a fattier, heavier eyelid. Here's a clear visual of the difference in bands between our lifted and standard lashes. Holding the tray in one hand, use the thumb on your other hand to gently tug the lash down and away from where it's attached to the tray. Because these lashes have a thicker band, they are a little bit stiffer, so I like to pre-curl the lash, which helps loosen it up a bit and makes it more flexible. Then, taking our clear drying all-day hold lash adhesive, which you can see starts out very white, apply a thin layer right on the top of the lash band. And even though the band is a little thicker, you still only need a small amount of glue. Adding more does not mean it's going to hold better or last longer. A little is all you need. Once the adhesive starts turning a gray color, it's ready to be applied. For beginners, I recommend not pre-curling your natural lashes because then they're just in the way. I also suggest looking down into a mirror, and that way you can lay the lash right above your natural lash line. Adjust the corners as needed, do some combing to make sure nothing is sticking anywhere and that everything looks good. If you don't like to curl your lashes, you can use the tweezer end of the lash applicator to pinch your natural and false lashes together. But I highly recommend our partial eyelash curler for newbies and pros alike, and especially for those who don't like using an eyelash curler. Because of its petite size, you can get the most precise curl no matter how small or hard to reach your lashes might be. And because of its innovative design, you don't have to worry about pinching yourself, pulling out lashes, tugging at your delicate eyelids. It really is the best eyelash curler ever. And look at that lift. Look at how it opens up my eye compared to my other one. On me, it even creases my monolid. The difference is amazing, the lash is beautiful, and your monolids will love them.